what we've seen in the last couple of weeks has been quite dynamic as far as geopolitical concerns rolled into it. I think they're very much the status quo. Are they going to keep these cuts, Sean? And what is the fabric of the argument that OPEC are putting forward? And I think they've got to look at, with so many components of this, with the likes of the Russia situation seems to be gaining momentum as far as Ukraine and, the fabric, all of that rolling across as OPEC. Are we going to see a continuation of prices holding steady at this? We've also got a very volatile US dollar post President Trump being elected, and that's had a very, very solid uptick as far as US dollar index over the last couple of weeks, breaking 107 and now back under 107 in Asia trade today. So I would think to keep the status quo, Sean, but the variables that go into this equation are geopolitical concerns, and is this going to escalate tremendously in December and possibly Q1? And then what happens as far as US dollar and Fed policy, and of course ECB with structural weakness in the Eurozone, and it seems to be galloping away, the US stock market. And growth is relatively good, but they're still worried about the inflation story. So I think OPEC have got their hands full, Sean. They may have to just take a little bit of a backward seat and be happy at 75 because they may shoot to the upside. But I think there's just so many different variables that go into this whole equation as far as global economic situation.